Good morning and good evening everyone. Today I'm cooking taro leaves we call laing with coconut milk and ginger for our dinner. I need to boil the water and then add the taro leaves, dry taro leaves. And then you have to boil it. Boiled it like 3 minutes to 5 minutes. Then after that, guys, you have to drain the water. So now you have to drain the water and transfer to the big bowl. So now it's done. So the next step, we are going to put 1/2 cup of water and boil the pork belly and little bit of salt, like 1 tablespoon of salt, and you make it like simmer it until the water get dry. So now you have to stir it well. So when the water gets dry, make sure the oil of the pork belly it came out, and add a little bit of oil and stir it very well and turn to brown. So here the pork belly is turned a little bit brown. You add like 1 tablespoon of oil and then stir it well and make sure the meat is turned brown and the oil of the pork belly it's came out. And then after that you have to add the onion, 1/2 of onion slice. So as you can see, the meat is turned brown now. Don't too much brown because it tastes burnt and bitter. So now you have to add onion, half onion chops, and also thumb of ginger and chop of garlic. And then now you have to add the coconut milk. You can add the coconut milk with you by can in Walmart. I bought this in Walmart. And also you have to stir it. Leave the coconut milk half, and then you have to add the taro leaves, which I boiled already for 3 minutes. Now you have to mix it well so the flavor get absorbed all in the leaves. So if you like this video, please like the video, subscribe, like, share, and leave comment. And don't forget to post the notification bell so every time I upload the video, you always update it. Now you have to add the 2 tablespoons of pork powder and 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 tablespoon of fish sauce or patis. And also you have to add another milk, coconut milk. And also guys, I forgot I added shrimp paste. If you have no shrimp paste, you can add like the dry baby shrimp, like dried shrimp. You can add it so instead, but I have no dried shrimp. I add shrimp paste or bagoong. So now I add another 1 can. Is total the coconut milk is 2 cans. So it's very delicious, this kind, guys. And make sure this you have to cook really good, and also you have to make simmer it until get oil. And now I put little bit salt, like 1 tablespoon, and also 1 tablespoon of black pepper to taste. And then the last, I put the soy sauce, like 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. So, and then you have to simmer it well until the coconut is get dry and came out oil. So, thank you so much. And guys, you need to try. And subscribe my YouTube. If you don't subscribe, please click that notification bell and post the notification bell and click all. So every time I upload my video, and shout out to all my family in the Philippines, in Lindang, Diplan, Zamboanga, Cebu, guys. Shout out Maricar Villa, Maria Piricar from Manila, Philippines. Shout out to MG Star Mart employee. Shout out to all of you, and to the boarding house. Shout out, and to all the boarders, and to all my family. Now the food is ready, and we call this, guys, is laing. So what they do, they process, they dry the taro leaves after they dry, and then so now I just put like optional the chili. If you want like spicy, then you have to put chop the spicy and or hot chili there. So it's very yummy. You have to try. Don't forget to click subscribe, like, share, and comment. And thank you to all viewers, subscriber, or silent viewers. Thank you so much. And to all my subscribers that always keep on, please leave comment.